I'm Catherine from Sawyer, and I'm going to tell you about the Sawyer Permethrin Treatment Kit. The Sawyer Permethrin Treatment Kit is an odorless insect repellent for baby wrap fabrics. In a study by Dr. Boyce, this permethrin treatment kit reduced cases of mosquito-borne malaria by 66% in sub-Saharan Africa. Unlike topical insect repellents, permethrin bonds directly to fabric fibers for long-lasting protection. Permethrin doesn't just repel. It actively kills over 55 types of pests, including ticks, mosquitoes, and biting flies. One treatment will provide you protection for at least 6 months. Here's how to use your treatment kit. Before you begin, glove up. Pour the bottle into the bag. Add water until it reaches the fill line. Seal the bag and shake it well. Open the bag and add the baby wrap. Seal the bag. Wait at least 2 hours until all the liquid is absorbed. Remove the baby wrap. Hang it up and dry completely before use. For more information, visit sawyer.com/help.